This is Tim Willis, and all I'm doing is copy OBS and a built-in laptop microphone. This is another video for the Nomad Funnel Hacker. So we're back in our full moon dance workspace, and this is going to be sort of my little sandbox to play with for a lot of things that I'm going to make videos for. It has a theme of belly dance and belly dancers. What I intend to do with this video is show you how to copy a funnel in a workspace, but what we're going to be doing today in the video is duplicating a funnel within the same ClickFunnels workspace. I did an earlier video showing you how to use the share link feature to either move a funnel to a different workspace within a ClickFunnels account, or to use that as a share funnel link that you can give to people, and they can either install on their ClickFunnels account, or they can get a 14-day free trial and look at the template and see if that's something they like enough and want to get a ClickFunnels account. Now, neither whether we're using a share funnel link as we did in the previous video, or if we're going to clone a funnel in the same workspace, are we dealing with anything particularly complicated. But in this case, what we're doing today is going to be even easier than the share funnel link. And again, we're going to work with the funnel named Lydia's Belly Dance Secrets. But this time we're not going to make a share funnel link, although we could if we wanted to. If we look at Edit Funnel, we see that our share funnel link is up to date. And we could just copy that and then put it in a browser and transfer that to a different workspace. Or we could give it to somebody generally through an email, although it could be a link on the page as well. But to duplicate a funnel, all we really need to do is come to our funnel, go all the way over to the right where it has this duplicate funnel icon, and just click on that. It will get a little message that the funnel is being duplicated, and you'll be notified when it's ready. And it's ready. If we open it up, it's going to be an exact copy of the original funnel, but it's just going to be a different instance of that funnel. And that's why the name here says copy of Lydia's Belly Dance Secrets, as opposed to the original that says Lydia Belly Dance Secrets. Now, if I were to make a duplicate of this funnel, what it would do is it would copy this funnel, and the title would probably be copy of Lydia's Belly Dance Secrets. So at this point, we'd probably want to change the name of it to make it more distinct and identifiable. I'm not going to do that on this video, but if you have copies of several funnels, for whatever reason you may want to do that, it's going to get awful confusing real fast if you don't change the name to make it distinct. Now, of course, in our settings, you'll notice that not only does it say copy of Lydia's Belly Dance Secrets into the name, but if we go to the funnel path URL, it also says the same thing down here. So when you change the name, you probably want to go ahead and change the URL after the slash mark too. But other than that, that's all there really is to duplicating a funnel within the same workspace of a ClickFunnels account. So nice, simple, and easy. So that will be the video for today. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, because we're all rearranging lectures on the RSM algorithm. It helps the channel, it helps me, and I thank you very much. Other than that, my name is Tim Willis, and I'll see you next time.